I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to cancel your Apple Music subscription through the web, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Sign into your Apple ID. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once signed in, click on your profile picture or the account icon. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to view your subscription details. Step 3. Manage subscriptions. In the account settings, look for the Subscriptions section. Click on Manage next to your Apple Music subscription to see the options available. Step 4. Cancel your subscription. Select the option to cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Make sure to read any information about when your subscription will end. A quick note, if you don't see the cancel option, ensure you relog in with the correct Apple ID associated with your subscription. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After cancelling, you should receive a confirmation email from Apple. Make sure to check your inbox to ensure the cancellation was processed successfully. I hope this helps you manage your subscription easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.